Yeah, you see this stuff is stuck right there? And this guy here too, especially. All right, chin down, buddy. We're going back together here. There you go. Ooh. Keep your chin down,
Nice.
brother. One little baby at the end. Let's get you on your tummy, face down. Right here. Oof. Yeah, buddy. In and hold right here. Hold it. Exhale, relax. Coming back, one more. One more. There you go.
Nice.
Other side, that's good. And we're just gonna shimmy like this.
Whoa.
Yes, sir. Let's get you on your back, face up. So here. There you go. Just gonna stretch you out for this last here. Okay. Just here. My goodness, my man. Come on up. How's that feel, bro?